Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a Telegram emoji to your photo. Adding emojis to your photos can add a touch of fun and expressiveness. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to a chat where you want to add the emoji to your photo. Tap on the paperclip icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Step 3. In the attachment menu, select the option to pick a photo from your gallery. Choose the picture you want to add the emoji to and tap on it. Once selected, tap on the brush icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. A bottom drawer will appear with various editing options. Tap on Stickers to access the sticker options. From there, select Emoji to see a wide range of emoji choices. You can scroll up and down until you find the perfect emoji to add to your photo. Step 5. Once you've found the desired emoji, simply tap on it to add it to your photo. You can adjust the size of the emoji by pinching it with your fingers. Position it wherever you like on the photo to achieve the desired effect. With these simple steps, you can easily add a Telegram emoji to your photo, allowing you to personalize and enhance your images. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding creativity to your Telegram photos.